everyone, in this video, we're breaking down all the modes of mechanical ventilation from the basics to the advanced. Ready to dive in? Let's go! 1. Understanding ventilator modes. Ventilator modes describe how the machine assists a patient with inspiration, controlling factors like tidal, volume, and pressure. The two primary control variables are volume control and pressure control, influencing how the ventilator operates. 2. Volume control versus pressure control. Volume control sets a specific tidal volume, maintaining a known minute ventilation. Pressure control allows control over the patient's pressure to achieve a desired tidal volume. 3. Primary ventilator modes. Assist control AC delivers preset mandatory breaths, allowing patient-triggered assisted breaths. Synchronous intermittent mandatory ventilation (SIMV) combines mandatory breaths with spontaneous breaths initiated by the patient. 4. Spontaneous modes. Continuous positive airway pressure (CPAP) maintains continuous pressure throughout the breathing cycle, beneficial for weaning. Pressure support ventilation (PSV) assists spontaneous breaths by adding preset pressure, aiding overcoming airway resistance. Volume support (VS) ventilator delivers a supportive breath to achieve a set tidal volume. 5. Secondary and unconventional modes. Explore various modes like airway pressure release ventilation, APRV, inverse ratio ventilation (IRV), adaptive support ventilation (ASV), and more. 6. High-frequency oscillatory ventilation (HFOV) delivers small tidal volumes at a rapid rate to minimize lung injury. Settings adjustments include power, frequency, and mean airway pressure. 7. Automatic tube compensation (ATC) offset airflow resistance imposed by the endotracheal tube, aiding ventilation. 8. New technologies. Discover innovative modes like neurally adjusted ventilatory assist and ATC. Remember, this guide provides a broad overview, and it's crucial to consult medical professionals for tailored advice. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more ventilator insights. Thanks for watching.